Here is a Centro demonstration for a Slack Connect use case, including one-click case creation, as well as utilizing the Centro Connection Hub to drive follow-up in a timely and easy manner with a Slack-first methodology. Let's start with case creation. In this example, we have two ways to create a case. The first is with an emoji reaction that creates a closed case. So if my customer asks a simple question that I can answer quickly, all I need to do is emoji react with the bullseye, and a case is created with a status of closed. If my customer asks another question that is more complicated, that requires follow-up and back and forth, I can emoji react with a brief case, and a thread is started, and Centro posts the case record block explaining the case. The back and forth is handled directly within the thread, and that drives further business processes down the road. Now let's take a look at the Connection Hub. The Connection Hub includes back and forth and notifications on cases that need to be updated. In case 1136, for example, no activity has been handled on this case, and that can either be notified from Slack information or Salesforce information. From this button, I can claim the case, assign it to myself. I can assign the case to another user. I can snooze the case, so delay the notification to be sent again in a short period of time, or I can click take me to the case, where that will then take me to the thread of the case for me to work. Finally, I can close the case. All of these buttons are configurable and drive the ability to fit into the business processes that you may have. Let's finally click on Take Me to the Case on this customer is waiting for a response, and I can take me directly to the thread as well as mention whoever the new owner is. Please reach out with any questions.